Okay, so what we need to achieve now is to make this cone going up. So I will remove the first one, this one, this two. I will delete these two, and then say yes. All right. And then now I'm going to select this and then this one and define custom component. Again, detail. So this time, okay, PG, I will just name this one as PG stair, stair, cut, rebar. Okay, and then position. So here I will just put that one on the positive Z direction. Positive. That one is Z, right? Going up is Z. So the up direction will be positive Z. Okay, and then next, and then click next, and then pick the main part. Make it sure that. Sorry. Are you telling something? So pick the main part. You need to make it sure that select objects and components. So select this one and then next, and then the detail, the position must be the same. Still this one. Okay, the top, and then finish. So as you can see here, now it's on the uh, up direction. So it's time for us to edit custom component, and then with this edit custom component I can get control 2 and then quickly so everything must be the shape and the cut must be bind to what, to center planes. So bind to center planes. Okay, this one. Okay, everything will be 0. And then what else? So this part will be bind to the boundary plane here. Okay, these two will be bind to the boundary plane as well. And then for this, bind to this boundary plane, and this one bind to boundary plane. So that one is the range of the reinforcement, so that it will always follow the boundary of the width of the stair. Okay, and now let's finish this cut first. Okay, so this will be the cut height. So bind to plane here. So immediately add parameter, and then this one will be 110, and then this will be sorry, this will become equals to P1, and then copy P1. So hide this one, and then this will be cut height. Okay, and then this two bind here, and then that will be add parameter 120. This will be equals to P2, and then hide this one, and this will be cut width. All right, so now okay, from this uh, point of time, we are now going to okay, because this cut must be always the width of this stair, right? So meaning if I select the stair primary, I need to get the reference of the contour plate, reference profile width. Let's see, copy. Is it a width? Yeah, it's the width. So I'll just simply copy reference and then here equals to equals to this one width, don't show. And then this cut, I'm going to add a parameter and then change this one to profile. And then now here should be equals to BL, okay, BL plus INT P3. Okay, so BL P3. So hide this one. And then P4 copy must be the if I go to my part cut, okay, so P4 must equate to the profile of the part cut. There you go. So whatever the width of this stair, then the profile or the width of the cut will follow that. Okay. So next is for the what do you call that? For this rebar. Okay. So we continue binding this rebar. So this one already bind to the top. Okay. These two, these two. Oh, sorry. Okay. These two. These two handle must be bind to the outline plane, bind to outline plane here, and then that one is 0, so that it always repair to this outline. And then these two handle must be bind to the cut plane, bind to the cut plane here. Control to this one, bind to this plane. Okay, there you go. So that one is bind to the cut plane. So meaning whatever the movement of the plane, the cut plane, then or the cut, then the reinforcement will follow that. Okay. Next is the all right, what else? Next is these four handles. Okay, these four handles. I'm going to bind that one to the outline plane of this slope. Okay, and bind. It's always 0. All right. Now, okay. So the thing is, here, if I may, so this one, if I'm going to move this one from here, let's say 300, 3 to 4.61, 3, yeah, 3 to 4.61. So I have this 200 distance, and then this one bind, move also from this point. So I will put this one is okay. Actually, yeah, I can just simply put here 113.85, 113.85, 113.85. Okay. All right. So the thing is, here, this is around 1927, and then this one is Okay, I need to make this one same. So 191, 191. Okay, so that I can equate that one to the value of 615 or 650. So I need to make sure that the top part is also 191.127. So in that case, I need to move this one a little bit. Okay, so what will be the value? So 218.73 less 191.27 equals to 27.46. So here I'm going to move 27.46. All right, so meaning whatever the length of this one, then that one will be the same length later. Okay, so and then redraw. Okay, so again, you have already the binding here. So now let's close this one first and check. So far, okay. Okay, and then if I change this one to this one to 200, let's see. Okay, so far that one is okay. And then if I change this one to 1500, okay, it works. All right, so let's change it back to the original. Okay, and then let's continue. Are you following, Jess? Before I continue.
Oh, yes, yes. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm following
All
because
right.
my environment's quite busy.
Okay. No worry. No worry. I just want to check.
Okay,
Okay. Okay. I'll continue.
okay.
So here I'm going to edit again custom component, and this time, like what we did earlier, we specify a specific distance. Okay. We specify a specific distance here. Uh, like add parameter, and then this one will be the 650. Okay, just an example. So this one is a lapping length. Okay, and then add parameter, and then add parameter. Okay, so hide this one, hide. So now I'm going to copy this one. Oh, you have already, sorry, 172, and why 170? It shows 192 and 192.3. So maybe I'll sorry, this one. So 192.3. So I'll which one is 192? Okay, this one is measure. Actually, it's okay. 191.27. Both 191.27. So I will use that 191.27. 191.27. So meaning, uh, since this one is same size, so I will just simply use only one value, 191.27 from the bending point, from the bending point, and then add parameter here. So this one will be equals to P5 minus 19. Oh, sorry, P5 minus P6. So 458. So meaning 458 plus 191 is should be 650. So I'm going to hide this one, and then P7, since this one are the same, right? So I will select again the rebar. From the rebar group, then here, start, add equation. P7. Oh, and then here, add equation P7. I don't know why it's going down again, but
Negative.
huh? No, it's okay.
Negative. No need.
We no need. Let's check it first. Let's close it and
Okay.
then say yes. Okay. So this one is 650. Modify. If it is negative, okay. So I think we need to put negative now this time. We can put
Mm.
negative. All right. Undo. So here, edit custom component. Then you're right. So here, under this component browser, this one. So I'll just use the negative value here because this one is 650. If I type 650, so 458. Let me
Not
put
just
it.
put
No,
negative P7.
if I put negative P7, then I'm not sure if that one work. Anyway, let's try.
Mm-hmm.
Negative. I hope this one works. I hope this one is okay. Right.
Mm.
All right.
Okay.
And then close it and then say yes. So good. So now if this one changed to a different size, now I need to change now the uh actually in the previous one I we already discussed how you change
Yeah.
the
Great and
size, the
size. Yeah.
grade, and then the what else okay, size and grade. Okay,
Cover.
and
Cover. Yeah.
cover
Oh,
and
this one
then
no
the
issue.
spacing. Okay, that one is no issue. And I will send this one to you so that you can also
Okay.
try. Okay. So now let's see. So here, if I change this one, if I change this one to 275, just an example, just want to
Okay.
try. Whoa,
Mm.
nice.
Okay.
So works. So we don't need to use the angle. That one should work.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, in here, we can bind also we can bind also here, but we can put a value. We can put a value. But
But if the
ah,
waist change, then I have to adjust the value as well. Correct.
if the what if the
The waist means the 200 this one and 250. Yeah. This one change. Then the cover I have to change as well. Correct.
yeah, right. But if you just simply but if you put the
There are no plan. No plan there. Right.
actually there's a plan here.
Near.
This one. This one is a plan here. Look.
They got plan.
Yeah, this one is a plan
Or
here.
upline plan.
This one.
Upline plan.
Yeah, that one is a
Oh,
plan.
okay.
That one is a plan. So meaning
This one is a upline or component.
it will be not
Boundary plan.
component. Boundary. It could be boundary. It will be boundary unless
Mm,
and but I don't think we can bind on this on the tip of the cuts because the cuts there is no because there is no cut there. Okay, look if I edit custom
oh,
component,
okay. I understand because no step there.
no step
There are
there.
no step there.
See,
So I can easily buy to that.
so you can
Wait.
no, but you can bind here, but you need to calculate the distance.
Yeah, understand.
because of the. But anyway, you can easily calculate that one. The good thing is you can just you measure that
After
one.
model, then only measure
Correct.
model first.
Correct.
Okay, then should not be an issue.
Mm.
Okay, can
All
understand.
right. So let's okay. So this is one now. It's quite nice. So meaning I can add now the PG add rebar. Okay. Is this the what is this PG add?
This one is for the household shelter. This one,
That one
this
is
one is for the shelter wall.
that one is a zero.
Yeah.
What is this one? Stair, stair, main bar. Is this the one? I'm not sure.
This one I'm not sure. Oh yeah. Okay.
This is the one.
Yeah.
But this one, do you need to move this one here?
Yeah, it's okay. This one I know how to do.
This one how to do? You know how?
But yeah, but the top bar, this one I can buy to the top boundary brand as well, right?
This one? Okay,
Yeah, buy to the top boundary.
like what I have told you that this bar you cannot bind that one to this top.
Why?
Uh, this handle.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, for me, personally, it will be difficult. It will be difficult if this handle is here and if this handle is here. Why? So why is because uh, how can you uh, identify this handle here to make this slope?
Mm,
If you have the answer, then yes, you can do that one. But I mean, the simpler one that I can think is this way. So meaning from here, if you notice, here, there's something like I don't know. If I put here zero, look what will happen. Zero, and then negative 100. Yeah. So that's my personal opinion. But if you can try to add that one to the top part, and if it is okay with you, then yes, you're right. I mean, it will be easier for us to bind that one to the top. But the question is how what will be the implication? Okay, is this one is the angle is correct? But if you're not concerned to the
mm,
if you're not concerned to the slope of this reinforcement, I mean, if there's some 2 to 3 millimeter difference, then okay, you can go ahead, but make it sure that the when you have a handle here, okay, make it sure that if you have the handle here, that one will be bind here,
mm-hmm.
and then at the same time it will be bind here to control. Actually, this one, if you bind here, if you have this dimension here, okay, you can control the slope. You get my point?
Yeah, but this one is not fixed one. I cannot have the fixed number over there. The rebar I cannot buy to the slot slot boundary plan.
You mean here?
The above one, the top one.
This here
Yes, yes.
is slope here.
Will it
You can bind that
maybe
one,
easier?
huh? You can bind here the slope here, but the thing is you need to calculate this one. What is this?
Will it be easier? Mm.
Hmm? If this one is easier for you to get this one, then I would recommend that we can do that way. So meaning if you bind that one to the top, yes, I think yes, should be okay. So here if I edit sorry, edit custom component. Okay, because this one is already bind. What I will do is let me just create a new one. Okay, so let me create a new one. So from here, what do you call that? Okay, so select and then pick which one to pick. Which one to pick? Okay, just wait. Delete and delete. I need to make it sure that I pick the correct one. Okay, so now uh, pick this one. So from here, right? Because I cannot pick from here, it should be from here. One, two, and then three. Middle button of your mouse, and then one, and then two. All right. So this one, 25. Okay. So there you go. Right. But again, this one, like what I've told you, so you can just simply edit or select this one from here to somewhere here.
Yeah, okay. Oh, it's better to make a reference line over there.
Yeah. So you just click here.
Yeah.
So let's say 170. So meaning here, you will put not
Plus
170.
25,
It
195,
will be
195.
195 and 25.
Yes.
Yes. So you're okay with that one?
Mm,
Then I'm okay. So
okay.
you can so if you right click and then uh, create define custom component. So this one will be a let's say a part. Sorry, detail again. So stair rebar test one. Next, select next. Sorry.
This one got to set the position also, positive Z.
Yeah, I think it should be okay. Yeah,
Always here.
always put that way, so much easier. So next, again. So select this one, define custom component, position Z, and then detail, and then this one will be what? Uh, stair rebar test one. Next, next, and then pick the main part, and then next. I think no need for the reference. Just simply click finish. So meaning, if I where is that one? Stair test one. If I click this one, see it will place there. No need for you to pick the position. So if I delete this, all right. So here, edit custom component. Wow, so much. Okay, so Alt key here, or sorry. Of course, the first thing to do is to select this one. and then bind to the center planes. Okay, and then this one bind to boundary plane. This one bind to boundary plane. All right, and then these two bind to boundary plane, and then bind to okay, that one will be outline plane. Outline plane here.
What would be the difference between the boundary plane and the outline plane?
Okay, boundary plane only works on the outer side, a box type. Outline plane, it will work on the whatever shape of your concrete. You can bind that one.
But it just now condition, I can also use the boundary plane, right?
Where?
The top one, the top one.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
since
just
you can use the okay, look, outline plane, you can use that one to the side of the boundary, but it's still recommended if it is a boundary, then use a boundary outline. Keep it to the shape of the geometry, to the geometry outline. So just keep it to the outline of the geometry, or of the concrete.
so for the component shape, like staircase is quite spatial one, so it's better to use the outline plane.
Yes, but here, if you notice the top one, because the okay, because okay, look, here actually I explained that in the fundamental of custom component. So basically, for boundary plane, this is the boundary plane. This one, this
Yes.
one, this one is the boundary plane. Okay,
Mm.
this one is BP. So outline plane is okay. Outline plane is
Follow the shape.
here, 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 here,
Yeah.
here, and here. That is the outline plane. But look, this one is outline plane and boundary plane. Then use the boundary plane. This one is outline plane and boundary plane. Then use the boundary plane. But here, this one is totally only outline plane. So if that one is the case, then use the outline plane. So that's what I'm trying to
So
say.
boundary plane comes first. Boundary plane comes first.
Yeah, boundary plane campers. Yes.
Okay.
All right, and then here bind outline plane. Okay, already bound. So the thing is okay, now since I bind that one to the boundary plane, so now or the outline plane. So the thing is that one is for this position, but now for the movement, I don't know if we can simply bind this one here. Okay, you still bind it there. I don't know what is this. What is this for two now?
Mm.
Where is that?
Oh, because you buy this one to outline plane,
This
the
one.
handle there.
Okay, delete. No need. No need. Only this one. Yeah, see that one and this one,
Mm.
and then this one and this one. All right. So meaning, if I'm going to open, okay, let's say for example, I'm going to add a distance list. Distance list. Let's say this one is what's this one? 170 and 25. Okay,
Mm.
on plane.
Yeah, to 195, 195.
195, sorry, 195. So meaning this P1 copy. So from the rebar here, on plane, and there you go. So close. So here, sorry, yeah. So if I type here 250 and let's say 50, modify, and there you go. So I think, is it easier for you to, I think it will be easier for you to control that one if it is on the top, right? And then
Yes.
here, this one, I fixed that one here, but this one you can extend using the end position or end and start, correct? So this one, because
Yeah.
there's a handle here, so you can change this one, stretch that one
Using the
by,
start and end.
correct, start and end.
I can adjust by start and end, right? Yeah.
Yes, for sure. Yes, correct. Okay, so I think do you want to try this one first, and then I mean, and then we can continue for some other I mean other example.
Can I share a PDF file, the general note to show where I have the queries?
Okay, yeah, sure. Uh, going to just hold on. I'm going to put you on the presenter. Okay, there you go. So you can share.
Okay. Okay. The horizontal bar like this one, the distribution bar inside. All this one I use the array.
Uh, sorry. Again. Sorry.
This one, the inside one.
Okay, that
I
inside
use the array to control, or
array.
use the grouping, or use the bar grouping.
I think bar grouping should be, because if you array, that one will be individual bar, right?
Yes. So it is just the grouping better.
Yeah, better. So if
Mm,
that one here, if you notice here, this inside bar,
mm.
whatever you do on the top bar, the top and bottom bar, then the inside bar will be plus the diameter. So it's the same binding.
Okay, so I will just follow the same main
Yes,
bar binding to
correct,
adjust together.
correct. Yes, that's right.
Mm, okay. And then same thing will be applied for here. The vertical one rebar. It's also use the bar
Yes.
grouping.
Uh,
Mm,
wait, the bar grouping for the vertical bar. Hmm, 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 hmm.
because this rebar actually is exposed outside.
That one is exposed. That one not sure if we can use the bar grouping there. But yeah, I think
Because this one actually, I got to follow the handle point as here.
mm,
Depend on how long my staircase. Then should be end over there.
yeah. So yeah, bar grouping. But of course we can, yeah, we can try that one. Or what we can do is um we can I can try that one first. So you try whatever you can do now, and then this one maybe in the next session, then I will go through this one. Let me just study first this one.
Okay, Kim. Because Next section. Next section is the third days for on hand. On hand, what? This one, the third days, I can't remember this one for a while already.
Okay, just hold
After
on.
I model all the thing. Okay, can.
Okay, so I'm going to show you that way. So let me just share my screen. All right. So okay, I think this is what you're trying to do is this. So let's say, for example, okay, okay. Actually, I already shown you earlier that way, yeah,
Yeah.
because
And another way how to do, yeah. So
yeah.
actually,
So
is it no need to copy inside already?
no need to copy inside. The other way is something like you just create a part. Let's say, for example,
New
this
one,
one,
yeah.
this one. I want to put that one inside the custom component. So what happened? What you can do is this. So it just simply okay. What is this one? So this one is shelter
Shelter
door.
door.
So what happened is if I edit custom component and then here I cannot copy this frame here inside the custom component, right? But you can create a custom part of this one, like here, custom part. So you have
Yeah.
this shelter door. See, I can call this shelter door now inside my custom component. So if I pick here one and then two, see, I was able to
Mm.
copy the shelter door inside. So
But
now
this
that
one don't have any variable inside. This one is the point.
okay, look, this one still have a variable inside. So if I type here 500, that one still works.
So when come to outside, when come to the model, am I still able to modify this parameter?
Okay, I will teach you how to do that one. This one is front modify, so something like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll intentionally put it this way, yeah, and then close it. Oh, okay, I'll put refresh, and then this one will be part of the component, correct?
Yeah.
So we call it a nested component. Okay. Yeah. So this is the thing that I think. Okay. Let's. Yeah. Because. All right. I understand.
It seems like the first thing that we
Because
do
okay. Okay.
this
Look.
every morning. Yeah.
Yeah. Because what happened is in this case. Uh, this one. If I click this one, must be bind to the cut planes. So bind to this cut plane. So this one 0. Okay, door to the right plane, and then this one bind to the left plane. Okay, and then close it.
Mm.
So meaning that custom component, I still do some binding. Okay, let's try if that one works.
Mm.
Here I'll type
Adjust the door opening.
this one, right? I
Yeah.
put here 1500 modify. Yes, it works.
Mm.
Okay, but the door opening, if I adjust this one to 1200, modify, see, still working. Correct? Now, the thing is, the question is, how can I change this one to 21? Because this one, see, it's not here. I did not, because this custom component, the value of this one is only for this wall, not for the door, correct?
Yeah.
So how can
Can use
I,
the object in component.
okay, let's try. No.
Okay. Nothing. Oh,
So
okay.
so now any more guess? Okay, look.
Mm,
Can you see this? Can you see this zero?
yeah.
Zero means that one is on the hierarchy. So meaning zero is the first level is everything. Now if we need to make this one 1, how to make it 1? Look, see? If I
Mm,
select this one and then put it to 1, look, if I select this, see, I can change this one to 2, 1. So that how
okay.
does how does happen?
What you create just now?
Huh? I did not create anything.
What?
See?
Then which button you click?
Which button I pick. Okay. So look, to change the hierarchy of this, if you select this one and then press the shift key and then roll the middle button of mouse, roll. See? You can see the up to 9 level of hierarchy. So meaning if you have more hierarchy level, so you can select. So if I press 1,
Okay.
so I can select this. I can select this one. Ah,
Yes.
sorry. Sorry, this one. See? Yeah. If that one is one. If I click the view, then it will lost. It will restore to 0. Now if I click
Zero.
on this one, double click, see? That one is the shelter wall. If you want to select the shelter door, then shift and then roll up, become 1, and then click. So this one is, see, I can open 2 now.
Oh.
So that's a new trick for you.
Okay, later I got to try.
Yeah, actually that one is similar to what we're doing in custom component. Huh? It's something like select objects in components. So let's say, for example, in this case, see, if I select this one, this is whole component, right? Now I cannot select the door.
Mm-hmm.
If I want to select only the door,
Yeah.
shift, see, I can select the door. See, now shift,
What?
select the door.
This one is different from object in
This one
component.
is different from object component. This one is from the hierarchy level. Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
this one,
Roughly get
see, I
what you
can
mean.
select, see? Okay? All
Okay.
right. So again, we will again let's continue on that one. You just work on what you have learned today, and then later on you just message me, and then we can continue. So at the moment, I'm going to study this one first. So once I get this one, I will email you to continue our session.
No problem. I will try to look for it, but learn from this one.
Okay.
Mm.